Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and this is a real quick tutorial for adding a floor to your walls. So what we're going to do is go to Architecture, look for the word floor, and you'll see that there's several to choose from. We're just going to choose the architectural floor. You have several choices right here. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to choose the one that says wood finish just for grins. Okay. So the idea is you want to sketch around the outside of your structure. So there's a couple of tools that make this efficient. If it's a rectangular shape, this is real easy with the choose boundaries. You can also choose lines. I'm going to click on choose lines, and then I'll have to trim a little bit, so I'll speed that up when I do that. So if you zoom in on the first wall, notice how it's choosing the inside and the outside. So we want the floor to go to the outside of the wall, so we're going to choose the outside. And we're just going to pick that line, those lines all the way around. And that one. Notice how this one extends all the way down to the bottom. It won't let you have an intersection, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that as we go by moving to the center of the wall that it's joining. So you can see that it picked on the dotted line there. Then we're going to go here and we'll do the same thing. We're going to click on this dot and drag it to the center. Actually, we will drag it to the outside, and that way it's not intersecting. Once you have a complete loop around the outside of your structure, you click check mark. Okay. Also notice this little green line here. These will often have things that you need to pay attention to, but we're done with this one, and then it says lines cannot intersect. Oh, there it is right there. So we're going to hit continue, choose this line, and scoot it until it locks to the outside. Now it will finish. So now we have the wall. Let's go to our 3D view. And you can see we have a wood floor here, and if we use realistic, you can see the lines on the floor, which is kind of nice. So that's how to add a floor.